Hi guys, so today I will show you how to make a pencil stand. So for this I need a glue, scissors and ruler and a pencil. So let's get started on the process to make this. So today I am taking a square sheet of 20 by 20 centimeters. So when I have this sheet, first what I need to do is fold like this, side to side. And open it and fold it again from side to side. And just open it then, and now do like this. From this corner, do this like this, and it's done. You can keep it there. I'm keeping this aside, I don't need this. So just do it like this here also, and just like this, and it will come here like this. Just press it so the sides are pressed, and it will be made really very good then. So when you are keeping it like this, so I have made, we need to make a one pen stand, we need two like this. So I am making one this, and I am using today yellow color sheet. So I have made the same thing here also, same like this. I'm just putting it now like this. As you can see, just put it inside it. Yeah, just put it inside this. It will come like this, and you can just push it like this. And when you open, you can always check. When you open it, it should come, your hands should come like this. One hand of yours should go beyond this. So now the glue part will come. So I'm taking this, using this transparent glue. So with this I'm just putting glue over here to stick it, and here on all the 4 opened spaces I will just put glue, this transparent glue. So here also do like this, and just switch it like this, and here also put glue and just push it. It's done. You can just press it, do like this, or it's up to you, whichever way is comfortable for you. For the extra part I can do just like this. And now just open it, and taking the middle of this, just press it like this. Press it nicely through the side, everything. You can switch it over and press it here also. So when now opening this, it's like this. So if I need to make only one pen stand, it's ready. I just need to fix its base and it's now ready. But what I am doing today is I am making a set of 4 pen stands. So I've already made 3, and I have shown you how to make one of them. So you can make one by looking at it, by looking the process, you can easily make, right? So I have already made 3. So I just need to fix its base and then it's ready. Our pen stand it's ready. So we just need to fix the proper way to stick it. First we need to stick the four of them together, and that way we can just fix the base. We can keep this cleaned area, just the closed part on top of it and not this part. It's up to you, but I like the closed part on top, and this I can leave at the bottom. And to make a beautiful pattern, what I can do, that this is blue, so I can keep it like this. If you want, you can do it like this also, but I want to do like this, and yellow here and the blue ones here. So it's up to you, whichever way you want it to be. And when I will see this, it will look nice to me, so I want it like this, blue yellow and yellow blue, and here also like this. So it's up to you, whatever way you want it to be, but I like this. So just we need to stick them all together, the 4 of them together. Just take glue with you and we need to stick. That's it. Just put glue top to bottom on this side. On the sides we need to stick. That's it. Just do like this. Same thing we can do with this. Let it dry, let it leave for 1-2 minutes, then we can do this one first. Just keep side to side and just stick it. That's it. Make sure the top ones are proper. It will look more nice when it's in balance and in proper shape. So now this is stick. Now we have to stick this together. So take glue, hold it with your hand, the two ones, and just put glue. And it's easy to make. You can make with recycled materials as well. It's not that you always have to take these fancy papers, these construction papers. It's up to you. So when this and this, just stick it. Oh, we need to stick like this. Yeah. Now I am right. And just hold it like this. Press all the sides together. The sides we need to stick. Just press it all together to help it to stick well. And it should not come out. When it's ready, we will be proceeding to make its base now. And for the base, just leave it aside for a minute. For the base, I have taken one thick paper. It's not light like this. It's a very light paper that I'm using to make the pen stand, but it's a thick paper. So first, what I will do is just put glue here, and I will put on top of it one glue sheet. I've already taken its sizes, so on a rough base I have cut this sheet. It's not the exact size that I want for the base, but it's a rough, and it's not so rough also, because when I will keep this, you will know that only a few lines needs to be cut, otherwise it's okay. As you can see, I will turn it over and you can see it's better. Yeah. So with the back also I don't want to keep it white, so I will put glue sheet only. But it's up to you, whatever way you want it, you can keep it like that. But I want blue. I want it to be covered properly, and it will look more nice then. That's why also. So just stick it well, and it's done. Now we need to stick it with this on top of this. So this part will do with not with this one. We'll do with the white glue, or we can use the transparent glue as well. So I will use the transparent glue. So just take with your hands the pen stand and just put glue on the four sides. You can do like this, just a tilt. That way it will not go in the glue. And you can also wipe out the extra glue if you have any. You should always keep a rough paper or so with you to wipe out the extra glue you have. We can put glue here also, it will stick good then, and it will not come out. Our pen stand will not come out automatically. Then it will be good for let's see, just put it like this, and to just leave it to stick it well. And when you see, now it's a proper thing. The base is strong and our pen stand is strong and steady. So we can cut the extra lines that we have here, extra sheet, because we don't need it. That's why. We have to leave it for some time and it will stick, not a problem, because this glue needs some time to keep it aside, and when it's dried then it's fixed. It will not break then. It's a strong glue, and kids can also use this glue. It's kids friendly, it's washable, and it's non-toxic. This glue is non-toxic. So just do it like this. On the edge we can keep it like this. Only two sides are left, and then we have made this pen stand. And your pens will be arranged now, should be arranged, and this part is left, and then we are done, and it's ready to go and ready to use. Done. Now our pen stand is ready. We can wipe out the extra glue with this part, with this tissue I have here with me. And when it's when the glue is dry, it will go automatically because it's transparent glue, so not a problem with that part. If you put more, or it's not a problem. The main thing, it should stick properly, the pen stand. And now, as you can see, it's looking so beautiful, and it's in pattern. And the kids will love to arrange their pens or pencils automatically. You can also write in one eraser, sharpeners, or pencils, or pens. The 4 can be used for 4 different things, so it's up to you. I really loved to make it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please like my videos, smash the like button. Please comment also, and please subscribe to my husband's channel. His channel's name is Rice Analytics, and to my son's channel, his channel's name is Sadiq's World. Bye bye.